Hello, everyone. Well, Marco, thank you for having me here at NOAH Berlin. It's always a pleasure to speak. And to all of you, I'd like to give you a little bit of overview of who we are, what we're doing, where we are with the company, and also talk a little bit about the news that we announced yesterday. No, it doesn't change. Do we maybe have another pointer? There we go. Thank you. So this is where the Jimdo story started. It's an old farmhouse in the middle of nowhere in northern Germany. It's where my co-founder Fritjof grew up. And he happened to have two brothers who had moved out, so my other co-founder, Christian, and I were able to move in. And what we did there was we developed the first version of Jimdo, what is a really easy possibility to create your own website. So absolutely no coding needed. We hacked through the nights and chopped woods when we needed a break and had really fun creating it. And that hasn't changed. Fast forward to today, just a little bit of the different setting. That's in our main office in Hamburg. And where we are with the company now, we are market leader in Europe and Japan among the free website creators. We are fully localized in 8 languages. Our main office is in Hamburg with approximately 180 people. We have a small office in San Francisco with 10 people, and via a partnership with KDDI in Tokyo, we have another 10 people. And as you may see from the photo, we really have a very unique company culture, and we're really enjoying building Jimdo. Now, what we're really proud of is that we have built Jimdo to date only with 500,000 of outside capital. That was possible because we're profitable since the end of 2009. And the big growth really has started like in 2009. So we basically have financed all that out of our own cash flow. We're a really product-focused company, so it's always the goal to create a product that is that easy to use and that's so surprising to our users that they actually refer to their friends, family, and colleagues. And that luckily did happen, so only 5% of our websites that are generated are acquired via paid channels. Now let me talk a little bit about the market and also about the product. So if you think about website creation today, it seems pretty obvious what to do, but really for a lot of people, and that's especially for all the small and medium-sized businesses and individuals that are trying to set up something professional, it is quite difficult. There is no clear go-to place how to do it, and a lot of times old software is used or some complicated systems. So that's where we come in. It's like we're allowing everyone to really create a professional website, and that just like, for example, Christian, who is a photographer and is shooting a lot of photos on weddings and is able to set up his own wedding photography website. Now, since 2010, we are also offering everyone to create an own online store. So a lot of users had approached us and said, hey, it would be really cool if we could actually sell something via Jimdo. And then we thought about like, yeah, that would be awesome to do. And then we thought of like what would be ideal for our customer base. And then there was only one solution: build it ourselves, because we wanted to have it really native and just as easy as the website builder itself. So nowadays, it's just as easy to start selling by uploading your product photo, setting a price, connect your PayPal, and you're set to go. The third big development that we started was actually mobile. And there are 2 sides for mobile. One is the websites of our users, and they are already optimized since 2011. So if customers of our users are visiting the website, they will always get the right format of the website. But there's the second part, and that's actually the website creation. And in our opinion, this is really something that could disrupt our market, because the touch devices are so intuitive to use. So we created an own Jimdo app in 2013 on iOS, and with that, it's possible to create your website on an iPhone or iPad. We did the same thing for Android, and with that, we're the first website builder worldwide that is truly cross-platform. And I'd like to jump into the product itself so you can see how easy it is. So what we did is we transported the system that we have basically in the web, where you just need to click on the elements to actually change the content or upload it, same thing to the touch devices. So you just need to tap on, for example, the text and change it. You can check your statistics, which is a great use case. You're just sitting on the bus to see how your website is doing. But you can also set up complete new sites, so you can edit the navigation and just integrate any kind of content. That's like really cool. For example, if you have a cafe and just baked a new cake, or if you have a photographer and want to do something on, or you put up the new photos, that's obviously a great thing. And that has been pretty successful, and one thing that we're continuing to focus on. The model that we are following with Jimdo is freemium, so it's free to create a website, and that already is a very big package, and it's like we want to have a true free package that offers great value. But if you, for example, want to have your own domain, then the next package, the Jimdo Pro package, is with €5 per month or €60 per year is the package to go. And the other differentiator to the Jimdo Business package is that the full online store is included here, and it's obviously a really cool package if you want to run your business. Now, the growth for us has been really great, again, because we are pretty viral, and so we have just hit the milestone of 15 million websites created with Jimdo, and we are pretty proud of that, especially if you think about the funds that we had available until now. But on the other hand, if you think about the market really broadly, it's like, for example, in Germany, there are 3.9 million small businesses. That means up to 9 employees. That's really full target group. And then there are also a lot of individuals out there who want to create their website as well, for their NGO, for their club, for their pets, whatsoever. And if you think then about that we're operating in 8 languages, you get an idea of what the potential of this market actually is. And second, if you think about the basically three product parts that we have: the website builder, the online store creator, and the mobile site creator, then there's obviously also a lot of potential. And we, over time, then recognized, okay, if we really want to take these opportunities head on, we need to change something. And this won't happen without taking external capital. So the thought just went on, and we were really happy to yesterday announce that we've raised our Series A by Spectrum. It's a 25 million round, and we are really excited about this, because now this really gives us the potential to take the opportunities head on. It's a pretty big round, but it's also pretty big opportunities. And we're really excited that it's Spectrum, because we really like those guys, and they have a very long-term thinking, just as we do, so this is a great fit. Yeah, and I hope that at NOAH in London I can tell you more about how the few first months went, and we're really looking forward to what is coming now. Thank you.